Cuba, que viva Cuba. Cuba para siempre. Cuba, que viva Cuba. Cuba para siempre. Cuba para siempre.
Here we are, Mykonos, in the Greek islands, a part of our 6-week European adventure. So welcome to the Healing Hikes Australia YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a full point of view tour of Mykonos, the island, and we're also going to be doing a city centre tour as well and show you the Venice streets. And yeah, give us a subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in, watching. It really means a hell of a lot. As I said, 6 weeks in Europe, so we're going to Italy, Spain, Turkey, Poland, all over. So it's really one not to be missed. I hope you're all well and happy hiking. How good is this? Stick around and I'll show you some of the local food as well. For us Aussies, what a real souvlaki like. So the cruise, we did a Mediterranean cruise. It went for 14 days at 10 ports. So we started in Rome, we went to Sicily, Naples, Crete, Mykonos, Santorini, Kusadasi, Istanbul, I'm probably missing a few, Montenegro. So yeah, the 10 ports are all up on the channel. We did some walks, so make sure you check them out. And that was on the Enchanted Princess. So Mykonos, it was supposedly found by the Carians in 1323 BC. The island has an area of 85 square kilometres and rises to an elevation of 341 metres, so just over 1,000 feet. The island features no rivers, but numerous streams, two which have been converted in reservoirs so that locals have local fresh water to drink. Mykonos' nickname is the Island of the Winds due to the very strong winds. They even have some big windmills that we're going to check out in this video. The average daily temperature in winter is around 15 degrees or 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and at night time in winter it gets down to 11 degrees, 52 Fahrenheit. In summer, it's a lot hotter. It's 27 degrees on average, which is just over 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And at night time, it still is around 24 degrees, 75 degrees Fahrenheit in summer. So the population of Mykonos is just over 10,000 people, and most of them live in the largest town, which is Mykonos itself. And for those into their Greek mythology, Mykonos was named after its first ruler, Mykonos, the son of the god Apollo. So let's check out the town, enjoy this relaxing video, no stress. Make sure you stick around to see some food, give us a subscribe. Your support means a hell of a lot, and yeah, I hope you're all well. Enjoy this video. Windy up here, so I apologise if you can't hear me too well. So we've just done the windmills and the Venetian little market streets. So now we're going to go to the Mykonos town centre with Leo. Let's do it.
Daddy, ready, set, go!
excuse me. Sorry.
It's the same.
The other thing that might be helpful if you haven't seen it.
What's that? Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it inspiring to get out and explore this beautiful world that we live in. Remember, give us a subscribe. There's over 100 videos on the channel and coming out weekly. So I hope you're all well and happy Mykonos.